One of the important causes of stomach ulcers, heartburn, frequent bloating and belching, nausea and vomiting, dark and tarry stools, and even stomach and esophageal cancer is the stomach microbe called Helicobacter pylori. In this video, I will introduce you to the stomach microbe, the symptoms of people with stomach microbes, some home and natural herbal remedies for treating stomach microbes, and foods that are beneficial and harmful to stomach microbes. If you have stomach problems or stomach microbes and would like to know more about them, I suggest you watch the video until the end. A healthy digestive system plays an important role in our quality of life. Digestive diseases can affect our daily activities. One of the important and common factors in causing such problems is the presence of the bacterium Helicobacter pylori in the stomach. Stomach microbes can lead to inflammation and ulcers, and recognizing them is essential for timely prevention and treatment. Let's see what stomach microbes are. Let's give a very simple definition. Often, the term stomach bacteria refers to a specific type of bacteria called Helicobacter pylori. This spiral-shaped bacterium can live in the highly acidic environment of the human stomach. Helicobacter pylori can attach to the inner wall of the stomach and, by releasing specific enzymes and toxins, irritate and inflame the stomach lining. The presence of Helicobacter pylori in the stomach does not always cause disease, and many infected people may never show any symptoms. However, in some people, this bacterium can be the main cause of diseases such as gastritis, stomach ulcers, duodenal ulcers and even, in rare cases and in the long term, stomach cancer. Failure to observe hygiene tips and washing hands before eating and eating contaminated and unhealthy foods are among the most important reasons for infection with Helicobacter. Symptoms of stomach germs. Heartburn or pain. There is usually a vague pain or burning sensation in the upper abdomen, which is sometimes called indigestion. This pain usually gets worse between meals or at night. Frequent bloating and belching are symptoms of duodenal ulcers, a feeling of fullness and bloating, even after consuming small amounts of food, and the need to belch more than usual. Nausea and vomiting. Some people may experience nausea, especially in the mornings, or even vomiting. Loss of appetite and unintentional weight loss. A lack of appetite and, as a result, weight loss for no apparent reason can be symptoms. Early feeling of fullness. A person feels full quickly after eating a small amount of food and is unable to finish their meal. Dark or tarry stools. This sign indicates bleeding in the stomach or duodenum and requires immediate medical attention. But what herbal remedies help treat stomach germs? Licorice, which has stomach mucosa protecting, anti-inflammatory, antibacterial properties and is recommended to prevent side effects such as increased blood pressure. It may help repair the stomach lining. Ginger, which has anti-inflammatory, anti-nausea, and antibacterial properties, can help reduce inflammation and relieve digestive symptoms such as nausea. And it has an inhibitory effect on the growth of Helicobacter pylori. Turmeric, which has strong anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and antibacterial properties, and curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric, has known anti-inflammatory properties and has anti-Helicobacter pylori properties. Garlic is antibacterial and antifungal because it contains a compound called allicin. Consuming raw garlic may be most effective, but it can cause stomach upset in some people. Green tea has antioxidant, antibacterial properties, and because it contains a compound called catechin, it has antimicrobial activity against stomach microbes. Beeswax, which has antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and restorative properties, can heal stomach ulcers and stop the bacterial activity of stomach microbes. Oregano, which has strong antibacterial properties, and oregano oil contains carvacrol and thymol, which have strong antimicrobial properties. Mastic gum, which has antibacterial properties and protects the stomach mucosa. Pistachio tree gum, which has been effective in some studies in inhibiting the bacteria of this disease and reducing the symptoms of indigestion. A number of foods are good for those who have stomach microbes and reduce their problems. Broccoli, probiotics. Garlic and onion, ginger and turmeric, berries. Extra virgin olive oil, honey. What foods should we not eat? Very spicy and spicy foods, fatty and fried foods, caffeinated drinks, alcoholic drinks, carbonated drinks, citrus fruits and sour juices such as oranges, lemons, grapefruit, tomatoes and their products such as sauces and paste. Chocolate. People who have stomach microbes usually have a number of complications, some of which I will tell you below. Have chronic gastritis or gastritis. Gastric ulcers, duodenal ulcers, gastrointestinal bleeding, perforation of the stomach or duodenum, gastric lymphoma, which is a rare type of cancer of the lymphatic system in the stomach, and stomach cancer. I hope you enjoyed the video and found it useful.